Alright you guys, so we're at the Rosewood Miramar Beach in Santa Barbara, California. This is one of our favorite hotels, and this room is crazy nice. So this is the oceanfront suite. Here you have a nice sized king bed. Very, very comfortable. Here you have a large flat screen TV. You have all your alcohol needs right here that they have set up. Over here, they set up a bottle of wine for us. Below the TV, you have your mini bar. You have your teas, your snacks. Under here, you have your fridge. It's an amazing resort. It's one of our favorites to stay at, and you walk out here, you have a beautiful deck. Look at this. Doesn't get no better than that. We have an amazing view of the beach. You have 2 beach chairs out here. Weather is amazing today. And you go inside. I had to show you guys the view first, so I walked past the bathroom. But over there you have 2 nightstands. Alarm clock over there. And you walk over here. Here is your closet area. You have a powder mirror right here. They actually give you a Dyson hair blow dryer. You have your closet space, your safe to be able to put your belongings in, laundry bags, extra storage down here, house slippers, hangers. They do have a dry cleaning service here. They have shelves down here if you want to unpack. And over here, they have a beautiful bathroom. His and her sinks. You have a tub over here. You have a beautiful walk-in shower. It's a nice shower too. It's really big. Over here you have your toilet room. And that's pretty much the room. But again, we're at the Rosewood Miramar Beach in Santa Barbara, California. Again, as travelers, this is one of our favorite places to stay that's near home. It's also one of the nicest places out of a lot of places we've been. And we've been a lot of places. So again, enjoy this view and see you at the next one.